meantime, let's quickly go across to a breaking update that is now coming across. This is a development that is now taking place. Vinesh Fogart, the wrestler there who has resigned from the railways, this is a development that is now coming to light as far as her possibility of joining the Congress party, that is coming to light, and as far as she being also giving a position of being part of the Indian Railways. This is coming amid speculations. Of course, it will be clarified in some time from now, Nyamika, if Vinesh Fogart officially joins the Congress party.
Well, the official information has now come on the part of the Congress party as Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia are expected to join the Congress party today at 3 o'clock, as they are also going to meet the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, and that's the only reason why Vinesh Fogart has given her resignation from railways, from her position within railways, and now after that only she is going to meet the Congress president, Mallikarjun Kharge, and then there will be an official joining of Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia within the Congress party at 3 o'clock, in which Mr. K.C. Venugopal, who is the Congress party's General Secretary in charge, will also be present, as this has come just ahead of the assembly elections within the state of Haryana, as now it is being told to us by our sources that Vinesh Fogart is expected to contest the upcoming assembly elections, as there are two seats which have been offered by the Congress party to Vinesh Fogart. One is of Charkhi Dadri and another seat of Julana. So now she is going to choose that from which seat she is going to contest the upcoming assembly elections. However, on the other side, for Bajrang Punia, we have been told that he is unlikely to contest the assembly elections, as earlier his seat was being offered, the seat which was being offered to him was of Badli seat. However, from in yesterday's subcommittee meeting, there was some kind of rift which had come to the fore, as there was a sitting MLA of the Congress party from the Badli seat, that is Kuldeep Vats, as he is one of the close ADs of Mr. Bhupender Singh Hooda, and after that only there were some kind of reports which were coming in, as Bhupender Singh Hooda and his close aide Mr. Kuldeep Vats were not really happy with the manner in which there were some reports that were coming in that Badli seat has been offered to Bajrang Punia, and that was the only reason why it is now being told to us by our sources within the Congress party that Bajrang Punia is going to hold campaigning all across the country. He is going to be there with the senior leadership of the Congress party during the campaigning, not just in the state of Haryana but in the other states as well. However, it is Vinesh Fogart who is expected to contest the upcoming assembly elections from Haryana, as two of the seats are being offered to her, which is of Charkhi Dadri as well as Julana. So it is going to be interesting to see in the upcoming days that how the Congress party is going to accommodate both of these wrestlers within the organization, what role they are going to play in the upcoming days.
Right, because Nyamika, as far as she had earned her position in the Union Railways through her achievements in sports, and of course she couldn't continue being as part of the Union Railways as far as being now a leader if she is officially conducted in the Congress party, and would soon, as according to reports suggest, there would be election, that she would be also contesting elections.
Indeed, and that's the only reason why Vinesh Fogart has tendered her resignation from the position within railways, as now she will be meeting the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge, and after that there will be an official joining of Vinesh Fogart within the Congress party, as that is going to be at 3 o'clock. So we can say that it is being done on the part of Vinesh Fogart, the resignation which she has given from railways. That's the only reason why now she is going to be joining the Congress party ahead of the Haryana assembly elections, as it is being told to us that she is going to contest the upcoming assembly elections. Earlier also, day before yesterday, we have seen that how she held a meeting with the Congress party's leader Rahul Gandhi, and after that she held discussions with the Congress General Secretary Mr. K.C. Venugopal as well, and now finally her induction will be done within the Congress party. There is going to be an official joining at 3 o'clock, in which Mr. K.C. Venugopal is also going to be present, and after that only, as there is a CEC meeting in the evening as well, in which the Congress High Command will be present.
As far as stepping down from the position that she was holding in the Union Railways, she has also come across as far as writing this letter where she is thanked as far as being a part of the Central Railways, the Union Railways, and saying that her journey so far has been a memorable one. Yes, Agrika.
So this is a letter that Vinesh Fogart has tweeted, and she tweeted this about some 20 minutes back. In the letter, she goes on to say it's a handwritten letter dated the 6th of September, which is today. She says, keeping in view of my family circumstances, personal reasons, I am unable to perform my duties as OSD Sports. Therefore, without any pressure, I wish to tender my resignation. It is kindly requested that my resignation with immediate effect may be accepted from the Northern Railways. 1 month salary will be deposited in lieu of 1 month notice period. Yours faithfully, Vinesh, and her designation is OSD Northern Railways. And here she has written this letter to the general manager of the Northern Railways, and the subject, as mentioned by Vinesh, is request for resignation with immediate effect. It is requested that I, Vinesh, wife of Somveer Rathi, at present working as OSD Railways in level 7. She's quoted family circumstances. She's cited personal reasons, and she says that she should be allowed to resign with immediate effect.
All right, Sagrika, thank you for that update. As far as Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia are concerned, Nyamika, because there are more details that are now coming across, of course, that became a little clearer when both of them, the wrestlers, met Rahul Gandhi. And attempts that were being made to convince them, they also being a part of the farmer protest, they were seen there as well. When she came back to the country, how she was welcomed by certain Congress leaders. There were already hints that were coming across that very soon she may be inducted in the Congress and may contest elections.
Absolutely, and the latest information which we are getting right now is that Vinesh Fogart has reached 10 Rajaji Marg, which is the official residence of the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, as now there will be an official joining within the Congress party at 3 o'clock, as Vinesh Fogart is expected to join the Congress party now, as she has already given her resignation from the position within the Union Railways, and now she will be joining the Congress party, as it will be interesting to see that what is going to be her role in the upcoming days, because now as per the sources, it is being told to us that the Congress party has offered 2 seats to Vinesh Fogart for the upcoming assembly elections in the state of Haryana, which is of Charkhi, Dadri and Julana. So now it will be dependent upon her that which seat she is going to choose in the upcoming days, as Dipender Hooda, who is the Congress party's member of parliament, has played a very important role in this induction of Vinesh Fogart within the Congress party, because he was the one who was constantly in touch with Vinesh Fogart. He was the one who was trying to convince Vinesh Fogart to contest the assembly elections when she was not really sure that whether she would like to join the politics or not. But now it will be cleared very soon, as now she has reached at 10 Rajaji Marg to meet the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Earlier also we have seen some pictures which had come in where Vinesh Fogart as well as Bajrang Punia held meeting with the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and after that they also held talks with the Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal, as what is going to be the future strategy of the Congress party will be
now. Of course, now she is given a resignation on her position that she was serving in the Union Railways, and currently is present at the residence of the party president of the Congress, Mallikarjun Kharge. It remains to be seen, as in a short while from now, it will become clearer if Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia, both of them, join the Congress party, and if both of them are given a ticket to contest the upcoming elections in Haryana. Nyamika, keep us updated on the developments taking place. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a very short break.